The project name is Obstacle Avoidance Robot. In this robot, we have used a microcontroller, a motor driver, two DC motors and two wheels. It is powered using a wall adapter. It is powered using 12 volts. Battery power is not working for this robot. So we are connecting an adapter with a long cord so that it can travel easily. Now we have placed an obstacle in front of the robot. Now the obstacle sensing is done at 30 centimeter. Now we have to power the robot, then it starts moving slowly forward. When it detects an obstacle, there is an extra LED glows on the microcontroller board. While the LED is glowing, if you remove the obstacle, it will move forward. It means it works in two modes. While the robot is traveling forward, if it finds an obstacle, it will wait for 10 seconds. Within 10 seconds, if the obstacle is removed, it will continue to move forward. Imagine the situation such that a human has come in the path of the robot. While he is walking, the robot will wait for 10 seconds. Since he is moving, he will clear the path within 10 seconds. If he is not clearing, if he is still standing there, then the robot will take a second path. The second decision is bypass the obstacle. So it will turn towards left, move forward, then again towards right. So actually it will take a turn around. It is actually a bypassing, overtaking the obstacle. Now let us see the operation by connecting the power to the robot. Before giving power to the robot, see that the back wheel is straight and it is slightly tilted towards right. Then connect the adapter to this. Now after 5 seconds, the robot will start moving. Now it is moving. Since there is no obstacle within 30 centimeter, it is continuing to move forward. Actually, the obstacle should be exactly in front of the robot. Right now it is towards left. Now it is making a left turn and moving forward. Then makes a right turn. Then again move forward. Then again makes a right turn. Then move forward. Then makes a left turn. Then move forward. Since there is no obstacle, it will continue the forward journey slowly. Now we will show you how this obstacle has been placed. Now extra LED is glowing. Now I have removed the obstacle. So it is continuing the same path. If the obstacle is there, it is not moving, then again it will do a overtaking action.